The behaviors of both Holmes and the TV news crew shooter leave many wondering about mental illness now. Did they suffer a condition that may have impacted their decision to murder? New at 5, Kristen Vogt joins us with how mental illness left local families devastated. What do those families see as the problem, Kristen?
Frank, they tell me there is not enough help for people who are ill. Case managers are overloaded and can't keep proper tabs on their patients. There is not enough transitional housing, and mental health professionals agree.
Imagine waking up on your 21st birthday and your life not being how it was the night before.
Kavon Tate Griffin, a star football player, a graduate of Lakewood High School, an aspiring Marine. But just last week, after his life had taken a turn for the worse, Kavon's body was found here in the Cuyahoga River.
I did all I could to help my son.
Kavon's mom says doctors diagnosed him with schizophrenia last year. And while she does not think that mental illness caused his death, she believes it contributed to it. It is a similar situation for the family of Linda Radisic, killed Sunday night in Eaton Township when the 64-year-old North Olmsted resident drove around the safety gates of these tracks as a train barreled down. Radisic's family says she was released from a psychiatric facility 2 weeks ago, but she needed to be closely monitored.
These patients need help day to day. Not just making sure they have their medication and they take it, but help with housing and help with finances and help with food.
Dr. Donald Malone, the chair of psychiatry at the Cleveland Clinic, believes our area has a strong mental health system, but it lacks in the number of case managers. And Valeria Harper agrees. She oversees Cuyahoga County's alcohol, drug addiction, and mental health services. Plus, she says,
we need housing.
Most importantly, Harper and Malone say halfway houses are what's needed.
Right now we are using institutions, so you're putting people in jail. You're using homeless shelters. There's nobody there who's medically there to support them.
Kavon spent the last month of his life in a homeless shelter, but had there been a place to help him after his inpatient treatment, his family believes Kavon would still be here today.
We loved him so much.
If you or a loved one feel you need help for a mental health issue, call Cuyahoga County's crisis hotline at 216-623-6888. That's 623-6888. Live in the studio, I'm Kristen Vogt, News Channel 5.